And then let's have a look at this one. So this is the next one, and I think that's actually the third Afrobeat, isn't it? That's Afrobeat 1. This is I'm doing it wrong. B1, B2. There's no consistency in the way the B1 and B2 are named. So I'm going to make sure I get those things consistent. Okay, so consistent naming is very important for organization. If you don't name consistently, you just get confused with your own work. Okay, so this one I'm going to rename B3. Okay, there's no solo, and so I'm going to paste that. B3, trombone. What bar are you in? It's 133. Is it 133? Oh, that's not right. Okay, so I'm gonna just drag this back, okay, to 112. And I'm gonna go in here, go to the beginning. Okay, and I'm gonna silence all of that. And I should be able, oh, whoa, something strange happened. Okay, I know what happened. There's a loop here. So I can't just do what I just did. It's not that easy. So I think it's good to see all the mistakes that I'm making, because you make it and then it becomes a huge problem later on. Maybe I should just cut here, cut the loop here, and take this off the loop position, and I'm gonna insert it in the double. Okay, this is what I should have done from the beginning. See, that would have fixed all of the complications. I should just have a listen, check that out. Okay, seems okay. Just put a fade between those two. Yeah, so apparently not great to use a looping if you want to do cuts later. Okay, now if I cut this, this should work now. Gain, add a little fade there, top there, P. Okay, and I'm just going to highlight all of that. Press equals, create a new audio file. Okay, there we go, and that is Afro B3.